Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix App Store not working in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device, and when you try to open your App Store, and you will see that App Store keeps crashing or not opening or not working problem. I will help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back, scroll it down, click on general. And guys, now you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and now guys, you need to go back. From here you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset your network settings. And after this go back, and guys, now you need to check for software update, and you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing all these settings, you need to go back and scroll it down, and from here you need to open apps and open your App Store. And after opening this, you need to scroll it down, and here is the option of personalized recommendations. You have to click on it and click on clear app usage data. And guys, after doing all these settings, your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to use your App Store easily without any error. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open internet browser, and here you need to search support.apple.com. And guys, after this, select your iPhone gadget and scroll it down, click on get support and click on more and click on App Store. And after this, click on continue. And guys, now you need to click on call us, and you need to call at these numbers, and you have to tell your problem, and they will respond to you and they will fix your problem. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.